class, we are going to look at the basics of scripting language within After Effects. Scripting is a really powerful tool within the software and allows us to achieve complex animations while reducing keyframing and implementing a linear workflow. Let's start from connection. In the composition, you have a null object already animated with a movement from left to right. Our aim is to make both the text and the line move as the null object. We could use parenting and apply a relative transformation to the elements. This time we are going to apply the same exact transformation instead. Let's select the three layers and open the position parameter. With Alt pressed on the keyboard, click on the stopwatch to activate the expression editor for that parameter. As you can see on the timeline, we now have a text box in which we can script our animation. For now, we are going to use the pick whip to connect the text position to the null position. This way, the software generates the correct script in order to connect the two elements. Let's activate the expression on the shape layer as well and connect the position to the null position. As you can see now, all the elements in the comp have the same exact animation. The best thing about this is that if we want to change the animation, we just need to work on the null object instead of changing it in every single layer. Now, let's open the math composition and connect the text as we did in the previous one. This time we are going to invert the animation of the line. Once we open up the expression editor for the position of the shape layer, we are not going to use the pick whip, but we are going to create a custom script. In After Effects, we can create functions which will define the values applied to the transform parameters using JavaScript and math operators. First of all, we need to define our variables for x and y. We start by typing the first one. X, our variable, equals this comp, define the origin point, dot layer bracket null 1, define the value source layer, dot transform, define the parameter group, dot position, define the transform parameter, open square bracket 0. This value defines the first variable. 0 is for x, 1 is for y, and 2 is for z if present. Semicolon. Then let's create the second variable. Y equals this comp layer null1 transform position 1. Finally, let's tell the software what to do with the two variables we created. Open square brackets x, comma y. This way the line is moving as we have seen before. The interesting part is that we can go into the variable and modify the transformation result by applying a multiplier. In this case, we are going to reverse the x movement by multiplying the value by -1. Now the line is moving in the opposite direction. Let's just change its origin point by adding 1920 pixels to the position, the actual size of our layer. Now let's open the loop comp. Using JavaScript within After Effects allows us to use specific expressions and behaviors in our script. For now, let's loop the animation of this comp. Once activated the expression editor on the position of the shape layer, start typing the loopOut expression. Loop-out, the expression command, open brackets, cycle, the behavior, semicolon. As you can see, the animation is now looped and repeating itself. If we change the behavior using ping pong, in this case, we can achieve a looped animation in a 4 seconds timeline. These are the basics of scripting within After Effects. For a comprehensive guide to the expression language, please refer to the expression language reference in the Adobe User Guide.